two reasons why you don't need 3 foot at the ridge. Number one, you have fire suppression sprinklers, or the solar footprint represents less than 33% of the total square footage. So that's a reason why you can have a smaller path at the ridge. So what you're saying does make logical sense. I haven't heard that before, but that could be.
I'll ask them why,
Okay.
what their reason is. It could be money, really. Could just be the cost they feel it's too much to replace the solar. Even though I have to increase the coverage, when they do put solar, you do 40,000 of solar, I have to increase your house
Sure.
by 40.
So if it was 100, then
I'm not sure what the problem is.
so you would think the premium would just reflect whatever the cost would be. Yeah, I'd be
find out
very
for you.
interested to find out. And it's only some of your carriers?
No, all of them now.
Okay.
At least the 2 main ones.
Really?
The third one too.
How recently is that happening?
In the last 6 months.
Okay. That's interesting. I
Because
think-
you're almost always gonna have to pay out for the borrowing, you have to pass water.
I mean, there are additional benefits to solar. I mean, you put solar on your roof, it strengthens your roof, it protects the shingles, which extends the life of the shingles. So there are some trade-offs there. It insulates the house, so reducing energy cost.
No, that's all good points, actually.
Yeah, yeah. And I have a picture of a house, a solar house that went through a hurricane, and the shingles are gone, but the panels are still there. So, you know, it's,
Seeing a lot more houses, I think they're called fire shields, that they're probably putting on the bottom edges of the solar so that it doesn't go up, is that?
they call that a skirting.
For sure.
Mixed feelings about that. Sometimes they say debris gets under there and it holds it there, so it's not very good for it. And also, it wants that ventilation underneath, so
Mhm.
some people like it for aesthetic reasons. I don't necessarily think that it's worthwhile.
I didn't know if that was code now or.
It isn't.
Isn't, so
No.
it's just aesthetic.
Yeah, yeah. So
Just
what?
one more thing for the salesman to sell you.
Yeah, pretty much. Some updates for me. I'm actually selling into Vancouver, British Columbia now. I don't know if you guys have any relatives in that area, but it's another expanding my footprint. Vancouver, British Columbia.
A British.
Yeah. What do you think I said? Canada is a very nice place for solar. They got a great loan program, 0% interest, no DD fee. Give you a $5,000 check after your system is installed. So it's an up and coming market for solar. So what questions do you have for me?
They're gonna be the new America anyway, so.
Yeah.
With the new administration, not with politics,